You can easily use your Bluetooth device, such as a mouse or keyboard, with the BenQ board. Let's see how to do that. If your Bluetooth device is equipped with a USB adapter, you can simply connect it to one of the BenQ board's USB ports in the front or on the side, and start using it. If your device doesn't have a USB adapter, you will need to pair it to the board. To start pairing, tap here, then tap Settings. Next, tap Connected Devices. Before tapping Pair New Device, you might need to refer to your Bluetooth device's manual to get it ready for pairing. When ready, tap Pair New Device, then select your device from the list. That's it. You can now use your Bluetooth device on the BenQ board. If you want to learn more about the EDLA BenQ board, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.